Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have today's headlines. Yaqutpura's MIM candidate Mumtaz Ahmed Khan takes a padyatra of his constituency area on Tuesday. Appeals to the people to vote for MIM. YSRCP candidate for Secunderabad Lok Sabha seat Amir Ali Khan takes a padyatra of his constituency areas. Says YSR schemes would be re-implemented if the party come to power. A man lodged a complaint with the Saidabad police against a private financer who fled with his Indica car. Himayanagar police, with the help of crime branch, arrested an auto driver who cheated a woman and took his gold amount. Headlines in details. MIM's Yaqutpura Assembly constituency candidate Mr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan toured the areas of his constituency and appealed to the people to give their valuable vote to the Majlis party. Mr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan began his padyatra on Tuesday in the areas of Murtuza Nagar and its surrounding localities. He met the local people and appealed to them to cast their votes at the both assembly and parliamentary level for the MIM party. He also appealed to the people to remain alert about some misleading political parties and to cast a valuable vote for the Majlis party. Mr. Hamza bin Umar, fondly known as Zafar Pahalwan, Bin Bazar Corporate Khwaja Bilal, the Birpura Corporate Sheikh Shakil and others were present with Mr. Khan during his padyatra. Secunderabad parliamentary seat YSR hopefully Amir Ali Khan, Sanat Nagar YSR party hopefully from Sanat Nagar Assembly constituency Ram Mohan toured the various areas of their constituency on Tuesday. The due tours the areas of Alauddin Khoti and met the local people there and told them about the party's agenda for the people, saying that YSR scheme would be re-implemented if YSR was voted to power. He appealed to the people to vote for the YSRCP. There was a good turnout of the local people during those padyatra. An incident took place under the Saidabad police station limits involving a financer and a borrower. The financer took the victim's car, fled the scene. Let's have a report. A man named Anil Kumar has lodged a complaint with the Saidabad police against a private financer and his companion. According to the details, 35-year-old Mr. Anil Kumar had mortgaged his bike with two private financiers in exchange of 10,000 rupees. Anil has also paid the installments of the last 2 months to the financer. After this, the financer along with his companion attached Anil Kumar and fled with his Indica car. Mr. Kumar lodged a complaint against the financer Santosh Reddy and his companion with the Saidabad police station limits. The Himayanagar police, with the help of a crime branch, arrested an auto driver who had cheated an innocent woman while decamping with a lot of cash from her possession. According to the details, the accused is a 30-year-old auto driver from Talabkata. The driver, who wanted to live a luxurious life, used to pillion the victim passenger, who used to hire his auto to ferry her ill husband. The auto driver laid a trap for the woman by trying to sympathize with her. He managed to take gold from the women and had mortgaged the same at Rehan Center in exchange of money. The police arrested the accused and recovered gold worth rupees 7 lakhs amounting to 2 lakhs and 20,000 rupees from the accused. A drinking water camp was inaugurated and started by the TRS at Ashok Colony. A drinking water camp was inaugurated by the TRS in the Sanat Nagar Assembly constituency, Ashok Colony, in view of the hot summer season. Mr. Ruttala Ram, Mr. Srinivas, both important TRS leaders were present on this occasion. Apart from the other prominent TRS leader of the state, Ram Krishna Gaur, State General Secretary Sridhar Rao were also seen on this day. Sport news updates. World T20 West Indies post 166 for 6 against Pakistan. Skipper Dhawan Swanstroke 263 and 546, while the one below hit 4-6s and 2-4s in hit 4-6 of just 26 balls to guide West Indies to 166. Dhoni to quit as CSK skipper. Functional fight within BCCI. SC to decide on Srinivasan fate. Big controversies over Dhoni. Shivla to replace Srinivasan. Will Srinivasan step down? Ex-BCCI board slams versus Srinivasan. SC to decide. India leave for T20 World. Let's have a look on today's stock updates. Sensex 22,446.44, 0.27%, whereas Nifty 6,721.05 with 0.25 as percent. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rate. For 10 gram, rupees 26,940 for 22 carats of gold, whereas for 10 grams, rupees 28,840 for 24 carats of gold. Silver rates, 10 grams, rupees 429.08 for bar piece 1 kilo. Let's have a look on today's weather report of 6 regions of Telangana. Hyderabad minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Warangal minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. Chittor minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius and maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Whereas Hyderabad today's evening temperatures updates is minimum temperature with a waterfall. Headlines once again. Yaqutpura's MIM candidate Mumtaz Ahmed Khan takes a Padyatra of his constituency area on Tuesday. Appeals to the people to vote for MIM. YSRCP candidate for Secunderabad Lok Sabha seat Amir Ali Khan takes a Padyatra of his constituency areas. Says YSR schemes would be re-implemented if the party come to power. A man lodged a complaint with the Saidabad police against a private financier who fled with his Indica car. Himayanagar police, with the help of crime branch, arrested an auto driver who cheated a woman and took his gold amount. That's all in this newscast. Allah Hafiz.